Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks so much for coming to hang out with me today. Welcome back to my living room, or welcome to the channel if you were new here. It's been a minute since I have filmed outside of my office, but a planner cart tour was promised, so a planner cart tour we shall have. First, let me apologize if you guys hear any rambunctious dog noises in the background. The living room is entirely his domain, so he's gonna be here hanging out with Mama. I hope you guys are here for it. You're probably used to him by now. But yeah, I'm excited to share with you guys this cart. So this is not really, I mean, it is, but it isn't. It's not really a planner cart for me so much as it is a routine cart. And when I shared with you guys in that writing setup video that I was going to be using this as a routine cart and I was going to be putting it upstairs beside my bedside table, I changed my mind about that. I feel like that encourages me to stay upstairs longer in the mornings, start my day in bed, and I don't want that. So it's going to live down here. It's going to live over in the dining room beside the coffee bar. We're in my little plant corner of the living room right now, just for the lighting. Also, you guys, this is like such a weird angle. I'm not short. I'm 5'8", so it's kind of, this cart is very short compared to me. So I'm literally like hunched over right now. So I apologize for the weird angle. This is not what I'm used to, but I do want to share more fun videos like this with you guys. So we better get used to it. Okay, so this planner cart or routine cart is in order of priorities and how I want to start the day. So we're going to go through each level of the cart and talk about it, show you guys what I have. You've probably seen most of this before, but I'll share with you guys what I have, how I set it up, and how I'm hoping to use this to like really focus on my goals and productivity. And I think having it in the dining room beside the coffee bar where I do start my day is going to make a huge difference for me. Okay, so I do have some flowers. I thought these were really pretty. I just picked them up. I thought that they would be cute on the table for St. Patrick's Day. So they're not going to live here, but I thought that we could enjoy them together. That's why they're mostly closed up. I wanted them to last all the way until St. Patrick's Day. And then hopefully by Sunday, they'll be in full bloom and so pretty. My favorite color, you guys. I love them. Does my hand always look this weird? Like when I do planner videos, does it look weird? And you haven't told me? Okay. All right. On the top here, this is my basically Bible study section with the exception of my tablet. I have my tablet in here. It's on this little charging dock. I don't want this like all over the place. I tend to drop electronics, so I'm trying to keep it in here, keep it to one place. I mostly use my tablet for my writing. So I have a lot of writing inspiration, character inspiration, Pinterest boards. So I use this for that a lot. My youngest kiddo, who dreams of being a chef, also uses this in the kitchen for recipes. That's also really handy too, but I love it. But it's up here at the top just because that's where it fits, but I do use it for writing. For my Bible study stuff, I have my stuff in this little basket. This is a basket that Walmart came out with a couple of years ago for spring or Easter. I know they were really popular at the time. Super cute. I've seen a lot of people use these as their cleaning supply basket, which I think is genius. You just load it up with your cleaning supplies and take it around your house on cleaning day. But I love it in here for my Bible study supplies. So I just have my She Reads Truth back here, my regular Bible. I have a faith sticker book from Stickabilities. And then I have my Moterm planner cover with my Hobonichi and Bisextology inside. I know I kind of dropped off sharing my Hobonichi on the channel, but I am still using it, you guys. Once I gave up on that whole routines and tracking literally everything and coming back to a planner to write everything down that I did in my day, I started loving it. I used it as like a gratitude journal or a prayer journal or just whatever I feel like writing down in a day. And now I'm filling it up and using it nearly every single day. I love it. I don't have pressure on myself for it. I don't feel obligated to make it super pretty. I'm still using it though, so we'll probably do an April setup in here. And then in the front, I have an Erin Condren cup This is from one of their fall boxes that they did 2, maybe 3 years ago. I think it's so pretty. I love the leaves on there. And I just have some Bible highlighters from Mr. Pen in here. You guys, my least favorite color is pink. Can you tell? I think this is cute though. I like the very spring vibes of it all. Okay, second cart down, and side note, that little hair cutting toddler stool back there, I promise you is not filthy. It's from the 70s and it's supposed to look like that. My husband is going to restore it for me someday. I just can't decide what color I want it to be. And I also kind of like it all like rustic and dripped with paint like that. Anyways, the next cart down is my writing / author cart. You guys are probably very familiar with all the things that I have in here, but we'll cover it just in case. So I have this spiral dog notebook right here. This is an older plotting. Oh my gosh, what have I done? I just jammed it. Okay, there we go. This is an older plotting world building notebook. It has sporadic magic in here, book 1, not entirely because my passion planner had that, but some of it. Some of sporadic magic book 1 is in here. I'm going to keep this on hand for writing book 2. This is my current plotting and all things writing, world building notebook, my Stalogy. You guys have seen this one. This, of course, is my passion planner daily, my ride or die. I love it so dang much. I use this to track my writing and a little bit of daily tasks, setting writing goals and things like that. Side note, you guys, when you see this video, Friday, March 14th, 3.14, yes, Passion Planner is having a Pi Day sale. So you can get one of these daily planners undated, or you can get a journal, different colors and styles for $3.14. So I always have them linked in the description. Check them out if you've been wanting to try one for a while, or if you just want some to have on hand. $3.14 is insane. Such a good deal. I can't get any, so let me live vicariously through you. Tell me if you grabbed any. Okay, then I have my pen pouches. I set these up on the channel, so if you guys want to see every single thing that's inside of here, I will link the video where I talked about all of the stuff that was coming out of my author bag and going into this cart. But this front one just has pens and whiteout, some markers, just things that I need for like tracking while I'm planning for my writing. This back one has Post-its and note cards and things like that. You can never have enough of those when you're writing a book. We've got some Mr. Pen pastel transparent sticky notes. I love these. And then I have also some stickers that I frequently use in my writing planner, just some goal stickers and things like that. Down at the bottom is my Mr. Pen grid, big pastel grid notepad. I did share this on the channel before I opened it, but you guys, I just plotted an entire other book on there. So I'm not going to share it, but it's down there. It's just graph paper, you guys. Then I have my Light Sears tarot deck, just the pocket size tarot deck. I could not do a tarot, what's it called? Draw setup. I don't even know what it's called. Spread, maybe. I couldn't do one of those if my life depended on it. I just use this for writing inspiration and the artwork and things like that. So, but I do absolutely love this deck. If you collect them or if you're looking for a new one, this is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning artwork. I love it. Then I have a rewards bowl, you guys. So I'm sticking to my no sugar. I've been doing really good with that. But on the weekends, if I do hit my word count goal, 1,200 words or more a day, I get a treat. I get a piece of chocolate. I just picked up these blueberries and cream, I think it is, Lindor truffles. They were in the Easter candy section. If you've tried these, let me know. I haven't had one yet. I've been doing so good, but I'm really looking forward to writing some words and earning one of these. And then these are my favorite. Okay, it's a chocolate bowl tour. So this is my writing station. Basically, not a whole lot happening in here, but that's just the way I like it. Some people might think this is cluttered. Some people might think this is minimalist. I don't know, but it works for me. I'm happy with my setup. Then down at the very bottom here, this is my planner stuff. You guys, I plan with you most of the time, so I plan at my big table in my office, but just in case, I do fill in my memory planner just at the dining room table. So just a couple things to grab if I want like an extra sticker or some washi tape. But over here we have my Erin Condren's. So this is my nope. Ow, I just stabbed myself. This is my oh my gosh, Alana. This is my notebook planner that I'm currently using with you guys. Then this is the productivity notebook. I've also had this one for years and years, but I've been taking pages out of here to use for my meal plans and my grocery shopping. Like you can see, I still have the fall cover on that one. Then we have my gorgeous Retro Rockets Coach cover on my reading journal. And my passion planner, memory keeper. This is my weekly passion planner. I think these are part of this sale, but not 3.14. These are, I think, $10 right now. They also have stickers on the sale. But this is my memory keeper. I love it. I love it so much. It's getting real chunky. You guys, this stuff is jammed. I would pull it out and show you, but it's jammed in here. You've seen this stuff. If you want to see like more of an up close look at these things, I do have tons of videos on my channel. I'll link some. Then this is the diary that my kiddos gave me for Christmas. I am so excited to start this one, you guys. I'm going to do some journaling and a deep dive on home improvement. And then I do, like I said, have this little basket just for things that I reach for when I'm planning some current favorite stickers of mine. I love them. Okay, you guys, this one. So I've had this one since last fall or summer maybe, and I didn't really reach for it. I got this because I had a gift card to Passion Planner, and I was like, well, I'll just get it. You know how it doesn't feel like your own money when it's a gift card. And I was like, maybe I'll use it. But these are so cute. Like it's intended for you to color it in, but I've been using some of these and not coloring them in. It's just so dang cute. Like there's trackers in here. Look at the dogs and the kitties. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I wasn't expecting to love it, but I love it. Total side note tangent, but how cute. Look, isn't that gorgeous? Look at them. This is going to be an Easter spread for sure. So now it's falling. Anyways, that's a side note. I'm just so impressed with this, and I didn't think I would be. Look at the windows. Okay, anyways. Basket of things to reach for. This is a Star Wars Loungefly zipper pouch that my husband and kiddos got me for Christmas. I thought we were starting a trend. They got me this one first, and then they got me this Endor one, and then the Stranger Things stopped, or the Star Wars stopped, and we switched to Stranger Things for Christmas, which I don't mind, but I love these pen pouches so much. And they're affordable. They're like name brand Loungefly, but they're only like $11. If you get them on Amazon, check out Amazon if you like Loungefly instead of going directly to their website. It's just all kinds of side note tangents. In here, I have some current favorite washi tapes, and then I have all of these PET cutesy stickers because I haven't a clue what to do with them, you guys. I need like a proper sticker storage thing, but I can't buy it. I'm thinking of saying, organization is a necessity and it's not part of my no-buy because Lord knows I need to organize, but they're just in there for now. And then back there, I have a little container that has some favorite pens, but not frequently used. I reach for these every once in a while, like when I'm doodling boxes and stuff like that, but they're not my constant go-to pens. And that's it. That's the cart. What do we think? Do you guys have a planner cart? I know this is very like mid-2000s. We haven't done planner cart tours in a while, but I think this is really going to help me stick to my routine. have things out in the dining room where I spend most of my day. I am a homeschool mama, so I do sit at the dining room table with my kids, but they're teenagers now, so they do pretty much most of their schoolwork on their own. I do still teach them some things, but I'm able to work on my own stuff while they're working as well. So I think this is going to be really helpful for me. I'm excited to get a bunch of writing done, hopefully have a book finished this year. And yeah, let's be all kinds of productive. Let me know. Do you have a planner cart? Do you have a routine cart? What's on your cart? How do you store your stickers? Your loose, messy stickers. Let me know. All right, you guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me for this one. That's all for this one. I will see you in my next one. Tell your dog I said hi. Bye, guys.